Right now, as you breathe, the dry air in your home might be silently irritating your delicate airways, making them feel raw and vulnerable. This constant dryness can weaken your body's natural defenses, leading to discomfort, a scratchy throat, and potentially more serious breathing issues, especially if you're over 60. Welcome back to the channel, where we help you live your best, healthiest life. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful way to improve your respiratory health and comfort, particularly if you're a senior, using a senior-friendly air humidifier. We'll explore why dry air is a bigger problem than you might think, how humidifiers offer gentle relief, and most importantly, how to choose and use one safely and effectively in your home. Get ready to breathe easier. We often don't think much about the air we breathe indoors, but especially during colder months or in naturally dry climates, the air inside our homes can become surprisingly parched. For seniors, this isn't just a minor annoyance. Your respiratory system naturally changes with age, your lungs might not clear irritants as quickly, and your mucous membranes, which protect your airways, can become more sensitive. When the air is dry, it can directly irritate your nose, throat, and delicate lung tissues, making them feel parched and vulnerable. This can lead to persistent dry coughs, a scratchy or sore throat, and even exacerbate symptoms of allergies or existing respiratory conditions. It can also interfere with a good night's sleep, leaving you feeling less rested and more prone to irritation. Investing in your indoor air quality is investing in your comfort and long-term well-being. So, how can we counteract this dryness? The answer is surprisingly simple: by gently adding moisture back into the air with a humidifier. These clever devices work by releasing a fine mist into your room, raising the humidity level to a comfortable, healthy range. When your indoor air isn't overly dry, your nasal passages and throat stay hydrated and soothed. This can make a significant difference, easing those annoying dry coughs, reducing nasal congestion, and alleviating throat irritation. Imagine waking up without that parched feeling or finding relief from persistent dryness throughout the day. A well-chosen humidifier isn't just a gadget, it's a comforting ally for your lungs, helping you breathe more freely and sleep more soundly, contributing to your overall sense of peace and well-being. Choosing the right humidifier is key, especially for seniors. You want something effective, easy to use, and above all, safe. For many, cool mist humidifiers are the best choice. Evaporative cool mist models use a filter and a gentle fan, making them simple to operate and less likely to over-humidify. Ultrasonic cool mist humidifiers are wonderfully quiet and compact, using high-frequency vibrations to create a fine mist. Just remember to use distilled water to avoid white dust from minerals. While warm mist humidifiers can feel comforting with their steam, the heating element can pose a burn risk, so cool mist options are generally safer. Look for features like an auto shutoff when the tank is empty, a stable base to prevent tipping, and simple, intuitive controls. A built-in humidistat is a fantastic feature, as it automatically keeps the humidity within a safe, comfortable range, taking the guesswork out of it for you. Once you have your humidifier, safe and effective use is paramount. Aim for an indoor humidity level between 30 and 50% to prevent both dryness and excessive dampness that could lead to mold. A simple hygrometer can help you monitor this. Always use distilled or demineralized water. Tap water can leave mineral deposits that can accumulate and impact air quality. Regular cleaning is non-negotiable for hygiene. Empty, rinse, and dry the tank daily, and do a deeper clean weekly with a white vinegar solution to prevent mold and bacteria growth. Place your unit on a stable, flat surface, several feet from your bed or seating area, and away from children and pets. And importantly, if you have chronic lung conditions like COPD, asthma, or are on oxygen therapy, always consult your doctor or clinician before using a humidifier to ensure it's safe for your specific health needs. We hope this guide empowers you to take a proactive step toward better respiratory health. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and let us know in the comments if you use a humidifier and what difference it's made for you. If you want the specific daily living aid I recommend for respiratory comfort, the link is in the description. Breathing easier and sleeping better can truly transform your daily life. Small, consistent steps like adding a humidifier can make a significant difference to your comfort and well-being. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new health routine.